So guys, there's this popular trend now. You just see a situation where they say, your page has been taken down, your profile has been taken down. So this is one of the things I want to talk about in this live video. I'm talking about the possible causes, the reasons, as well as the solutions in order to prevent this from happening to your profile or your pages. So you just have to note that taking note of this would really help your page and help your profile, as well as prevent this from happening to your page or profile. So one thing you have to notice, let me use an example with one of my pages I was taking down at a point in time. I could still remember I was using a profile to post, and why I use that profile to post, so I was also duplicating the content on the other page I opened, and the page was growing. I never knew the algorithm was actually taking note of those things. Never knew the algorithm was taking note of those things, and I was seeing growth, I was seeing changes, I was seeing increase in followers every day on that page. And all of a sudden I just logged in one day. What I just saw is that your page has been deleted. I appealed and appealed, and the Facebook refused to restore it back. So I then traced to see what the issue was. So later on I heard that even if you have a profile and a page that do not post the same thing there, because every page or profile is seen as a business. So if there is something you are posting or a subject matter on this particular place, it should be another subject matter or another thing on another profile or page, not you repeating the same thing. That's what is referred to as the reused content. So the reused content, so it's just like I've used a page, I've used a video or post on a particular place, I'm currently also post somewhere else, so it will end up having effects on that page or on that particular profile where I'm posting it. So one of the very best possible solutions is just to be original. So that's one of the cause, reused content. Alright, so and also, if you run a page or profile, you might have had one or two restrictions, and let's say you happen not to resolve those restrictions. So there are things that could also affect your page or affect your profile. Yes, unresolved restrictions. One of the things to do, one of the best things to do is just to go to your support inbox, check if you are having any violation, and wipe it off, or possibly write an appeal to Facebook. So one of those things that would help your profile from not encountering or facing mishaps. So appeal, get rid of violations in your support inbox. Do you get? Alright, so that's one of the things that will help, and this is the reason why pages and profiles are being brought down currently. And I believe that if you put in these measures, the things that will help you. And you might have been carrying out one action or taking one step or the other on your profile page, and you just feel like spamming. So spamming is one of those things that restricts your page or your profile and could also bring it down somehow. So spamming is talking about over liking, over sharing, over reacting, over commenting, and there's certain words you are not supposed to use that you may see yourself using or is currently using. So spamming is one of those things that bring down your profile, bring down your page, so and kind of cause a restriction. So one of the very first things to do is to be mindful of words, mindful of comments, things like bullying. Bullying, we have cyberbullying, we have stalking. Things like this could be prevented. Like, just do your possible best. Also, one of the reasons why profile pages are taken down is sharing that profile or page. Using your page or your profile to share to groups. Let's say using your page particularly to share to group. A page may easily be taken down. You go and join groups. That page, you use your profile to join groups, not your page. Use your profile to join groups, not page. Do you get? So why you join group with your profile? When you've posted on that page, you can share to groups. So that's one of the very best things to do, rather than sharing directly from the page to groups. So it could, at a point stop your profile or restrict your profile, or maybe like leading to your profile pages being taken down. So do not share directly to groups with your page, rather share with your profile to groups. And while you're sharing, to also prevent spamming, you have to avoid oversharing. A maximum of 3 shares is enough for a particular post. It could be to 3 different groups. So a maximum of 3 shares is enough for a particular post. 3. Yeah, so share to 3 groups. It's one of those things that will really help your page to grow. So another thing that could lead to your page, taken down is your type of content. So you have to know that Facebook does not allow like political content, things that have to do with government, here. So I've got to realize that Facebook is not just a social media now. It is now a business. So Facebook has moved from the era of just being a social media, connecting and meeting people, but now a business where you could literally be earning and make a living from. So this is one of those things that leads to pages or profiles being taken down. So one of the very first things to do is, the type of content should be a content that shows moving object. Even if it's AI content, it must be moving, like relatable, like, because the Facebook bot kind of realizes and identifies humans. So you have to know that you have to post like a video of you, not they are creating a video with static photos. It must be moving. So this is the reason why some pages or profiles have been taken down. So, and also not following the Facebook guidelines and policies. So for every social media, you have to know that there is a guideline, there's a policy that guides its smooth running. So there's a policy that guides every social media running day in and day out. So when you don't follow, there are tendencies for your page to be pulled down. So that's the truth. So take note that following the Facebook standards as well as policies is one of those things that also safeguards and prevents your page from being pulled down. Alright, so you also have to know that you have to be active. Be active on your page or profile. There are a lot of funny things people do on their pages. Some type of posts or videos. You have to prevent such. So these few things I mentioned are some of the reasons why some pages or profiles are being pulled down, and I believe if you can check it, like, you prevent yours from being pulled down. Thank you so much for watching this video. So please don't forget to like, comment, and to share this video.